Hi, this is going to show about our KVM switcher with the keypad control. So here I have a setup. Basically right now we can see here we have one set wireless cable and mouse. So later we can use this set cable and mouse to control any of the PC here. And over here we have the keypad. And this is the keypad which we can use for the remote control the KVM switcher for the source switching or for the resolutions we can program in by the USB port here. And this is the keypad after we have the chassis assembled. Okay, so we have one LAN cable. We don't need to use the DC adapter because you can get the power from the KVM switcher here. So this is the KVM switcher unit. On the KVM switcher unit, on this unit, basically we can see we have the push buttons for the switching, such as we can press the buttons, we can have the source switching, you can support the seamless switching as well. And over here we also have the IR, which we can use the IR remote, and we also have the auto or manual switching button and resolution switching indicators for the USB and for the HDMI. So this is the KVM unit, and over here we also have only HDMI model here. On the back panel on the KVM unit, right now we have like two sources connected and the two laptops which with USB connected. So later we can use the keyboard and mouse to control any of the PC. Over here we also have two HDMI connected from the camera or from the player, and then for the USB port, the HDID we connect to the wireless keyboard and mouse, and then we have a USB flash drive. And then we also have a USB camera connected here, and this is the KVM unit. And also we can support the R32 control, IR extension, and this is the remote, which is like right now I have this one connected to the keypad, so I can control remotely. And this is the HDMI only unit, so it's the no USB supported. Okay, so now I'm just going to show you how can we use the keypad to control the whole setup. Right now, if we want to control the source switching, so we'll just simply press the button on the input source, right? So we can have the source switch and switch to the input 4, input 3, and input 2, and input 1. So switch to input 1, which is this laptop. So I can use the mouse to control this laptop now. And so also we can support the hotkey switching, like right now. If I'm going to switch to the second laptop, so I can just press country 2. So it's already switched to the MacBook. On the MacBook, I also can use the keyboard and mouse for the control as well. Right now, I'm just control the video play or pause. Right. Okay. So this one is about like the one keyboard and mouse to control between the two PCs, because the input 3 is the camera, so we cannot use the controls. Input 4, input 3. And then input 2 and input 1. So this one is about like using the keyboard and mouse for the hotkey switching, and also the remote keypad for the controls. And if we switch to the input 1, and we can just like check the cameras. So this is the camera which is from the PC building, but we can just switch the camera here. So this is from the USB camera, but we can switch back to the built-in camera, the front, and this is the USB camera. Okay, so this one is mainly about our 4x1 KVM switcher with the keypad control or with the keyboard and mouse hotkey switchings. Okay, thank you.